In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a very simple and genuine method that you can use to increase your Instagram followers. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Instagram, click on the search icon, and now in the search bar, type name of a famous celebrity. I'll go with Cristiano Ronaldo. Follow him, and once you follow him, you will see some other suggestions as well. So follow these guys as well. And once you have followed some accounts, you'll have to wait for a few minutes. And as you can see that my followers have started to increase. I have just gained 2 subscribers in a matter of few seconds. You can do this on daily basis and gain like 10 to 20 followers each day. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.